Planning to expand your business across several channel marketplaces? You can do it in a few clicks with Sell on Another Marketplace feature. Products from one marketplace can be quickly listed to another one. M2E Pro will keep the settings assigned to the items, or you can change them if you need. We will see how to configure the feature for eBay. Let's say we want to expand our sales on eBay UK marketplace. For that, we decided to sell products which are already presented on eBay Germany marketplace. First thing we need to do is to enable this marketplace in M2E Pro. Then go to an existing M2E Pro listing, link to Germany marketplace. Switch to the setting view mode, select items that you want to sell on the UK marketplace, and then submit Sell on Another Marketplace action. In the appeared pop-up, you can configure all the needed options in 3 simple steps. Let's take a look at them. In the From section, you can see all the listing details. And now we need to fill in the information in the section 2. For that, we need to choose an account with the needed marketplace from the drop-down in 2 section. Also, we want Magento data to be taken from this particular store view. Here we can either choose the existing listing with the same parameters or create a new one. In case you select to create a new listing, you will see the settings tab. Let's go through it together. Here you can configure general, payment, shipping, selling, and synchronization settings. You can skip the settings and move on to the next step. If necessary, you can always edit these settings within the listing. The next step you will see is categories. You will need to assign eBay categories and item specifics to the selected products. If you select an existing listing, M2E Pro will preserve selling, description and synchronization settings previously assigned to the From listing. Still, you will have to configure new payment, shipping and return settings as they vary depending on the marketplace. Now let's take a look at another case. Sell on Another Marketplace feature not only helps to expand sales across marketplaces, you can also easily list your products on other eBay accounts. If you add products from one account to another, but the marketplace is the same, M2E Pro will preserve all the policy settings, including category, previously assigned to the listing. You can either keep these policies or edit them later if necessary. That's it! Now you can manage and list items on another eBay marketplace directly from this listing.